In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to BCC in HubSpot, and the whole process should take no more than 5 minutes. This feature is incredibly useful for ensuring your important email correspondences get logged into your HubSpot CRM smoothly and automatically. Let's make this as straightforward as possible so you can get back to what you do best. First, fire up your preferred web browser and type in the URL www.hubspot.com. Once the homepage is loaded, go ahead and click on the login button. If you haven't already entered your credentials in this session, you'll need to do so now to access your HubSpot account. Take a moment to ensure everything is typed correctly, then hit enter to sign in. Once inside, your dashboard should be displayed, which is the hub of all your operations. Now let's dive into the settings where we'll be able to find what we need. Navigate up to the top right corner where you'll see a gear icon symbolizing the settings. Click on that and you'll be presented with an array of options. What we're interested in is under the General tab, so select that next. Within General Settings, there will be a subsection specifically for email. That's the one we're after, so go ahead and open that section. Once there, you need to look out for a specific email address, which takes on the format of our hubid@bcc.hubspot.com. This unique address is essential because it enables HubSpot to log emails sent from your personal email client back into the CRM. Copy this email address exactly as it appears. It's crucial to get it right because any small typo will prevent proper tracking. Now with the BCC email copied, you're set to incorporate it into your email workflow. Whenever you're preparing to send an email to a contact, you'll want to paste this address in the BCC field of your email client. This step ensures that HubSpot receives a copy of your communication, maintaining a complete and accurate record on the contact's timeline within your CRM. As you send your emails with that special BCC email address included, all that pertinent correspondence will be seamlessly logged onto the designated contact's record. This saves you the hassle of manually entering email interactions into HubSpot and ensures you have a comprehensive view of your communications, which can be incredibly beneficial for tracking, analytics, or just keeping organized. That's it. With just a few clicks and some routine copying and pasting, you've significantly streamlined your email logging process in HubSpot. This should save you time and minimize errors while keeping your CRM data accurate and up to date. Thanks for following along, and I hope this has simplified your workflow today.